Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change keyboard color on any Samsung phone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on general management. From here, just tap on Samsung keyboard settings, then tap on theme. And from here, you can change the keyboard color of your Samsung phone. But if you want to customize the color of your Samsung keyboard even more, just go to your home screen and open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open and select Agree and Continue. From here, just tap on Keys Cafe, then tap on Download. After you download Keys Cafe, just tap on it, then tap on Continue. From here, just enable Style Your Own Keyboard and tap on Style Your Own Keyboard. And from here, you can select any keyboard color which you like. For example, I will select this color, then tap on Install. Select Open. After you download Theme Park on your Samsung phone, then go back to Keys Cafe and select the keyboard color which you want. Then tap on Apply. Now, as you can see, we have successfully changed the keyboard color on our Samsung phone. And this is how you can change the keyboard color on any Samsung phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.